G'day everybody and welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Today I have a problem to solve. So at the Blacksmithing Association we have these sorts of pans that we use to fuel our fires using coke and coal and charcoal. The pans themselves tend to actually degrade over time and they become quite thin, they start to crack, break and wear through. So today I'm going to make up another set of these pans. I've got some 1.6mm mild steel and hopefully we'll be able to use pan brake to bend it. However, I'm not sure whether or not it will work because the pan brake is not designed to bend 1.6mm mild steel. I think its max is like 1mm mild steel, but that's over a 600mm length, so hopefully a little bit shorter should be okay for its capacity. Let's cut up some steel. Perfect. We actually have something that's already the right size-ish. So what I need is a 250 by, say 205, so let's say 305. Yeah, 305 should be big enough. Okay, we're ready to go. We're ready to start bending all of this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly mark out which bends I'm going to do and in which order. So we have two bends that are running down the side, we have a bend that's running across the top, and then we have two separate bends here. These two have to be separate because they actually have to be 2mm further in than this bend here. So that when we bend up one of these sides, we're going to bend it like that, and then when we bend the back, it's going to come up to there. So this is going to be inset one material thickness, or 1.6mm further in than this back one. Doesn't matter so much for thin stuff, but we'll try and get this to match up as nicely as possible. So we're going to actually tackle these two bends first. So this will be 1, this will be 2, then we'll go with this one 3, and then this one can be 4, and this one can be 5. Easy. catch you up, basically what happened was I made the first one, put a handle on it, a handle that I'm not super happy with, and I took it to the Blacksmithing Association and I tried it out, and it works great. It was good. I like it. Problem is, that works for one of the charcoal bins, but it's actually too wide for the other ones, which kind of a shame. So I figured, because I have two that are the same size, I would just take the other one, I'll just make it one that I can sell. So we're going to put a nice handle on it. Got this bolt that you saw me texture the head of. We've made up our little nut to go on the end, and I've just tapped that with an M10. Just like that, we have our sort of our through tang. And what we're going to do now is turn up this piece that you saw me carve out the middle of, so that this bolt can fit all the way through. Why didn't I just drill it out? Well, drilling a hole on a dead 90 degrees over the span of 200 mil is actually quite a difficult task. I did try to, but it didn't work out very well. So, carve it out the center of this, glued it back together, and I'm going to wait 24 hours for this to finish drying. Damn, I need a haircut. Anyway, there you go. How sick is that? I reckon that is actually awesome. And it feels like the right way. You know, really... Anyway, nice little dustpan. This will probably be going up for sale at Boddington. I don't know, come on down. At least take a look around anyway, because Boddington Medieval Fair is going to be awesome. I think it's on the 22nd of April. I hope to catch you all in the next episode. In the meantime, do remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. I'm gonna go get a haircut.